Hey guys, welcome to Carrosserie Prisme. Today on this Qx60 that we just got right now, you can see it's a very similar damage that we got to the Q50 I think that we did the last time, the black one. So this one was hit on the side right here. I guess he was trying to evade a car that slammed the brakes. So he was hit on this side here. The fender is totally demolished on this car. Plus, I don't know if there's damage on the door. We have to remove the fender to check that out. But we have to check this out, and then we'll have to do an estimate, talk to the client, and we'll let you know about this one. This one though, on the back, they have no damage, so that's good for this one. So basically it's just on the front here. We'll continue on that later. So we're back on a Q60 today. Basically today what we did, we took all the broken parts off the car. We still got a lot of parts to fix on this car, especially like metal parts. As you can see, this here is bent, this here is bent, this rad is broken. So all the broken parts, the headlamp there, we removed literally everything that was broken on the car. And we made a lot of calls to dealerships to try to find all the parts that we needed. But we have a very good team here, so we managed to take care of that very quickly. So let's say in about 2 days, we got all the parts we needed, and let me show you what we got. So basically here, what we did is that we ordered all original parts, all from dealers. The clients wanted something very nice. So as you can see on this side, we got all the original parts. You can see Infiniti on the boxes, everything is original. So next time I'm going to see you guys, we're going to be putting all the parts back, and you guys are going to see a final result on this one. It's going to be beautiful. So we're back on a Q60 today. So basically on this one, you can see a lot of things changed. We changed the fender on this side. We also sanded the door and a little of the A-pillar here. So basically we're prepping the car to go get painted, go get prepared and everything. On this side here, a little lower, we changed a couple of brackets here and there. We also changed the radiator for the transmission. This one has a CVT transmission, so it has to have a separate cooler for that. So basically the front bumper is also right here. It's getting ready to be painted for the rest of the car. So we'll let you guys know about that. I'll try to get you the footage of the car getting painted. I don't promise on that. We'll see if we can. That's pretty much it. So we'll see you on the next one. So we're back on the Qx60 today, just to show you guys basically what we've done yet. The job is not over yet. We also have the lights to install, the front bumper to install. But it's just to show you guys what's going on here. Here we have the fender that was painted. It was installed. It looks very good, just like the original. You can see it follows the original lines, and also it's perfectly color matched with the rest of the car. We fixed the door back in place. We had to remove the door to install the fender and everything. So basically the door looks very nice. There was a little damage on this side if I remember good. So this one was fixed. The fender here was changed. We're just gonna install the lights, install the bumper, and we'll show you the final results after this.
Perfect.
Hi guys, so we're back on the Qx60. So for this one, this is the final product of the car, so it looks very nice. I have the footage of them installing the bumper that I think you guys just saw like a second ago. So basically everything looks fantastic on this car. Everything is color matched. So this car is being delivered right now. We're shooting this video outside a little quick before they deliver it. So I just want to tell you guys, if you like watching videos like this, please subscribe, press the bell notification. We got a lot of videos like this. We try to do as most videos as we can. So like, subscribe, and let us know what you guys like to see. If you guys like to see some other type of cars, or you like to see more detail what we fix, how we fix it, let us know and we'll do more of that. Thank you, see you next time.